Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ionos domain to Squarespace. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to link your existing domain seamlessly. We'll begin by setting up the connection within your Squarespace account, then move to authorizing it through Ionos. Finally, we'll cover how to confirm everything is working correctly, ensuring your website is live and accessible. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes to initiate. To begin, log into your Squarespace account. From your main dashboard, locate and click Settings in the left-hand menu. Next, select Domains and then choose the option to use a domain I own. Carefully type your complete Ionos domain name into the designated field. After entering your domain, click Connect Domain and ensure that Ionos is selected as your domain provider. This action initiates the linking process from the Squarespace side. After initiating the connection in Squarespace, a new window will appear, asking you to log into your Ionos account. Enter your Ionos username and password, then approve the connection. If the automatic connection doesn't work, you'll need to manually configure your DNS settings in Ionos. This involves adding 2 CNAME records, including one for www pointing to xcust. Squarespace, com, and 4 records, each pointing to a specific Squarespace IP address, such as 198.185.159.144. Once you've completed the steps in Ionos, return to your Squarespace Domains panel and click Refresh Records. You should see green connected labels indicating a successful link. Please be aware that it can take anywhere from 24 to 72 hours for your domain to fully propagate across the internet. If you encounter any issues viewing your site after this period, try clearing your browser's cache. Your Squarespace site should now be live and accessible through your Ionos domain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.